Mosque Dubai, a city that rises not from a riverbank or forested plain, but from the sand itself. You don't approach it. You emerge into it as if summoned. Flying in, you see nothing but ochre dunes for miles, then suddenly, towers of glass, steel, and light pierce the haze. A skyline that defies gravity. This is Dubai.
Built where there was once only heat and horizon, Dubai feels like a mirage made permanent. But it's real. The tallest building on Earth. Islands shaped like palm trees. A mall with a ski slope. It's not just a city, it's ambition in architectural form, daring the desert to blink first.
At the heart of this dream stands downtown Dubai. Home to the Burj Khalifa, the Dubai Mall, and the fountain, it's a place of extremes. The world's tallest, biggest, fastest. Here, you can dine 500 meters above the ground, then descend into an aquarium the size of a football field. Every inch is curated. Every second, orchestrated.
The Dubai Mall is not a mall. It's a planet. With over 1,200 stores, an ice rink, waterfalls, even dinosaur skeletons, reality bends. Time disappears. Spectacle is the standard here, and excess is the expectation.
But contrast lies just across the creek. In terror, gold glows in narrow alleyways and spice hangs in the air. The gold and spice souks transport you back centuries. Here, bargaining is a ritual. Cash, not cards. Time slows. Tradition breathes.
Across the water in Burj Dubai, the Al Fahidi historical neighborhood stands quiet. Wind towers catch the breeze. Mud brick walls hold centuries of sun. These alleyways speak softly of a pre-oil world, when the city was built with coral stone, not cranes.
This is Dubai's quiet secret. It isn't just new. It's layered. Like a Bedouin robe, it weaves past and present, silence and spectacle. You don't just visit Dubai. You navigate it, thread by thread.
Then there's Dubai Marina. A glittering waterfront of yachts, towers, and mirrored cafes. Joggers glide by at sunset. Neon reflections ripple on the canal. It's the city, relaxed, but still dressed to impress.
From above, it looks impossible, the Palm Jumeirah. A man-made island shaped like a palm tree, stretching into the sea. Villas, five-star hotels, and private beaches curve along each frond. Paradise, built to spec.
Along Jumeirah Beach, time takes a breath. Families picnic. Waves curl against the sand. And then, the Burj Al Arab, shaped like a sail, rises from the sea. Postcard perfect. Unreal, yet undeniable.
Leave the skyline behind, and the silence returns. Dunes roll endlessly under a sky that burns. A desert safari brings you face to face with stillness. At sunset, the sand glows like gold leaf. You remember how everything began here in the cup.
Dubai is not just a city of lights, it is also a city of calls to prayer. Hidden between towers and villas are mosques, small and grand. In the early morning, as fog lifts from the sand, the adhan floats over rooftops. Faith moves quietly here, woven into daily life, even beneath luxury.
Son, no place defies nature like Dubai. Where 45 degrees Celsius heat pounds the streets, malls offer snow. Where air conditioners hum like lifelines, palm trees sway in artificial oases. The city cools itself while the desert waits just outside, timeless, untouched, and watching.
Beneath the glitter, another Dubai breathes. Construction crews at sunrise. Housekeepers in uniforms. Taxi drivers who remember when this city had no towers. They are the hands that built the skyline. Their stories rarely light up screens, but they hold up the frame, artist palette.
In Al Quaz, warehouses hum with art. graffiti, sculpture, sound installations. Here, the city drops its designer shoes and gets dirty. Independent cafes serve coffee among canvases. It's rough, honest, still in motion.
Brain Dubai Design District, or D3, is an experiment in progress. Fashion, architecture, and tech collide. Nearby, Dubai Silicon Oasis grows its own code-driven ecosystem: smart homes, AI coffee bars, autonomous buses. Here, tomorrow checks in early.
Cityscape Dubai moves fast, but never casually. Behind every sleek hotel, every manicured boulevard, there's pressure. Image. Expectation. You feel it. The weight to succeed. To look flawless. The city smiles, but it sweats too.
Cityscape at dusk by night, Dubai glows. The skyline becomes a constellation. Roads sparkle like veins. Fountains dance to symphonies. From rooftop lounges to quiet balconies, the city hums with a different rhythm, cooler, slower, magnetic.
Performing arts, what is Dubai, really? A dream? A display? Or something deeper? It balances illusion and identity, monument and memory. A city that's built for show, but grounded in something stubbornly real. Does it matter if it's authentic, if it makes you feel something?
Cyclone and dusty neighborhoods few tourists name, life goes on. Corner groceries. Cricket in parking lots. Barbershops with Bollywood music. A quieter Dubai, unfiltered. The side you don't see in brochures, but the one that stays with you.
And Darrow, in the end, Dubai dares. To build, to break, to bend nature itself. It doesn't whisper, it performs. And like all great performances, it leaves you wondering what was real and what was imagined.
Luggage Dubai isn't just Emirati, it's a mosaic of the world. Over 200 nationalities live and work here. Tagalog, Urdu, Russian, Swahili languages blend in elevators and market stalls. In this global village, identity is fluid. Culture wears many colors. You don't need to belong to live here, you just need to keep pace.
Graduation cap from elite international schools to futuristic research hubs, Dubai invests in minds as much as skylines. Children grow up trilingual. Teens dream in code. Universities rise like temples of tomorrow, where students wear lab coats by day and sneaker brands by night. Ambition here starts early and never stops.
Camera with flash behind every influencer shot of a sunset rooftop is a crew waiting to pack up. Behind the luxury brunch, a line of staff cleaning spotless glass. Dubai's perfection is curated, beautiful, but built. The line between living and performing blurs here. It's not fake, but it is filtered.
Desert before the towers, before the oil, this was land of wind and sand. The Bedouin spirit, resilient, adaptive, proud, still lingers. In falconry displays, in storytelling, in the hush of a date farm at dawn. Beneath the neon, an echo remains of survival, of silence, of sand that taught people how to endure.
Hourglass not done time behaves differently here. Malls open past midnight. Fridays begin with prayer, then brunch. A single decade can feel like a century. What was desert in 2010 is metropolis in 2025. You blink and the skyline changes. In Dubai, the future doesn't wait, it accelerates.
Clapperboard if you enjoyed this cinematic look into Dubai. Subscribe to DSV Travel Trip for more journeys into the world's most surprising places. From Asia's hidden corners to cities of the future, we'll take you there one story at a time. Where should we go next?